Hello guys, thank you for watching videos from my channel and I welcome you back. Today I'm going to teach you something called media encoder. Media encoder, we use it to encode videos or to export videos to different file formats. It is just an extension, like it is a tool for Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. If you want to export videos, you can use to encode the videos created from those programs. You can use that application. Normally, right now I'm using Premiere Pro. I have finished to create my project. Normally, the old way, if you don't have media encoder, you just go to File and say Export, then you say Media. But now the reason why we want to use media encoder, it has a lot of tools. It is capable more than the encoding tool that comes with these programs. Like for example, if I try to encode with this program, I can get a very big file compared to the one when Adobe Media Encoder will bring, and even the space it takes, it takes a lot of space on the hard drive, and even it takes a lot of time to encode. So that's why we use Adobe Media Encoder. Okay. Right now I'm going to close my project. I'm already done with it. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just to encode it with Windows, with the Adobe Media Encoder. Okay. What we're going to do here, we're going to let me look for my file. Okay, let me look for the location for my file. I first get it, then I'm going to show you how we are doing it. My file is here. Encoder, no, it is here in Premiere Pro. Okay, it is this one, how to check for stock availability. This is my file. So we don't open the file. What we do, let me go here, we search for Adobe Media Encoder. Mine is here, I don't need to search for it. Let us open it. This program is very good and fast. If you learn how to use it, it will save a lot of your time. Now what you're going to do, it is very simple. We are going to, let us wait this one to finish. It's saying connecting to dynamic link server. Let's wait for it to stop, because if it doesn't stop, it will not do what I want to show you. Okay, simply what we're going to do, we're going to drag this file and bring it here. Okay, let me try. Okay, we position it here and drag it there. Once you drag it there, it will transfer the file, and it will even try to show you like what is inside the whole project. Okay, now this is the file. It was named sequence 1. It is going to come, the output file format is going to be mp4. Now what I need to do, I just need to change this file name. Let me just say rename, copy. Okay, here we'll just double click in the file. Okay, and we select the location where we want to save it. Okay, we're going to save it here, but I'm going to change the file name to this one. Okay, then you say save. Once you say save, it will, you see the file name has been changed. You will just click on start queue. Once we click on start queue, to start preparing the project, like adding the audio and the footage together. Then after this, it will start to encode. Just a moment. We're going to give it some time because I want you to see how the whole thing is done.
Summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
It is even showing you the preview of that file that is being encoded, and it is showing you how the output will look like.